Hello, in this video I will show you how to convert units starting with degree and radian. My calculator's default setting is radian. You can see on the top right corner. If I just click on it, I can change from radian to degree. If you cannot do this, you have to update your operating system. Please watch the corresponding video for that. Let's try a couple of examples. For example, I would like to convert 30 degrees to radian. Just type 30. If you click on pi button, you can see degree and radian signs. I select degree. My default setting is radian, so when I press enter, my calculator will convert result to radian. Let's try 90. If you would like to check whether your answer is correct or not, so it is the obvious one, you can just write pi over 2 and you can compare the results. Let's do it the other way around. I want to convert radian to degree now. I click on the unit. Now setting is degree. If I write pi radian, for example, both of them are here, my result will be in degree. Let's try another one. So 3 pi over 4 is radian. I would like to convert it to degree, which is my default settings. I just press enter and see the result. Your Nspire has other conversion features as well. If you click on this catalog button, you can see some options. If you press numbers, you can move between them. First one contains all the features, all the functions stored in your calculator. If the wizard is not enabled, I suggest you to enable it. Second one just classifies all the features in their categories. For example, everything related to number here under number, everything related to angle is already here, degree, radian, or other units as well. But my favorite is the third tool. If you click on Conversion Assistant, you can see a beautiful dialog box. You can select what type of conversion you want to do. Let's say I want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. I press OK. You just need to change this one. Let's try an obvious one. 100 Celsius is 212 Fahrenheit. If I click on same button again, you can also see some constants. I don't even know what they are, but if you scroll down, you can see some stored values. And the cool thing is they even work in the test mode. Under sixth option, there are predefined functions. I like some of the number theory functions. For example, you can find all the factors of an integer. You can find next prime number, for example, but these features will be disabled when your calculator is in press to test mode. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.